Good morning, students. See in your math magic book, in this book, this 10th one chapter pattern, this chapter completed. Then tomorrow we will study here this next chapter, 11th one, tables and share. See in your book, this page number 120. See here. See this picture here, Shama's garden, and Shama has planted here sunflower, rose and marigold plants in her garden. Shama planted in her garden this sunflower, rose and marigold plants. Then she has planted them in 3 flower beds and her garden like look this. See here in one row here 3 flowers, again in second row 3 flowers, means here how many rows here? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in 6 rows here 3 flowers. See how I planted 18 plants. Then total here 18 plants in each flower bed. Then each flower bed has a different arrangement. And see how the roses are this planted. Then see these roses are planted how many times here? Only 2 rows, and in one row here how many plants? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 2s are 18 here. Then here 18 is equal to 6 into 3. So there are 6 rows with 3 plants each. And what are the ways in which the sunflower and marigold are? See here 18 is equal to here how many? 6 into 3. So there is 6 row with 3 plants. And next one, see here only 2 into 9 you write, means 2 rows and here 9 plants. So there are 2 rows with 9 plants each, means 18 is equal to, see this multiplication, here 6 rows 3 plants. Then in second here 9 rows, 2 rows 9 plants. 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18. You too can make your own garden, draw a garden showing flower beds with 48 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. Then here number is given 48 plants. Then you make your own garden. See in this type of this rows, and in each row how many plants you write there. Then jars in the shelf. See here. Page number 121. Bhima made a shelf for 30 jars. She made a shelf, and in one shelf here, how many jars you see here? 30 jars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means in one shelf here 15 jars, and here 2 shelves. Means here total 30 jars. Then this is a long shelf with 2 rows. There is a long shelf, only 2 rows here, and each row has here same number of jars, means 15 15 30. Then can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep these 30 jars? Then other ways you write here these 30 jars, here only given 2 rows and here 15 jars. Then you also write this again one time. This next one, this you take here, suppose 6 rows and here 5 jars, means 6 5s are 30. Then again when you take here, suppose you 30 means here take here 10 rows and here 3 jars, means 10 3s are 30. Then draw a shelf, show how many jars you will keep in each row and how many rows are there. You draw here shelf, and you draw this picture of these jars. Then next one, see. Easy tricks. I do not know the multiplication of table of 7. You know this multiplication table of 7. I know the table still 5, but there is one easy trick, and I can make the table of 7 with the tables of 2 and 5. Easy trick this table of 7. Means firstly you write this table of 2 and write this table of 5. Then addition of this table of 2 and 5 means here table of this 7. Then table of 2. Then here table of 2 is given here 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 2, 10, 6 2 into 2, 7, 12, 7 into 2. In this type of this table you write here this table of 2. Again here table of 5 also given. Then in this type of write you 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 5 means here make a table of this 5. Then again in this type of this you write here this table of 7. Which type of here 1 into 7, 2 into 7, 3 into 7, then 4 into 7, 5 into 7, 6 into 7, 7 into 7, 7 into 8, sorry 8 into 7. 8 into 7, 9 into 7, 10 into 7. In this type of this, you write this table of this 7. But help Bunty to make this table of 7 using the tables of 4 and 3. Otherwise, you write here this table of 4 and table of 3. And here addition of this table of this 4 and 3. Then you may here this table of this 7. Then here also in this type of this given here table of 4, table of 3 and table of 7 also in this type of this write you 1 into 7, 1 into 4, 1 into 3 in this type of means this full form of these tables. Then next one point you see in your book how many cats. Then this tomorrow we will study. Then in your this tables and chairs in this chapter here tables given table of 2 up to table of 7 in full form. In this type of these tables you write in homework. Okay, bye.